If you have milk and chocolate, you can make this delicious, no flour, no oven, naturally sweetened chocolate cake. We love this recipe because it's super easy to make and you won't feel guilty afterwards.
Place a medium pot over medium-high heat.
Add 2.5 cups of your local milk. We'll talk more about the type of milk we're using in the enlightenment board.
Add 1 cup of organic maple syrup.
A pinch of salt and mix well.
Add 4 tablespoons of organic cacao powder and mix very well.
We're using Navita's organic cacao powder because it doesn't contain processed ingredients and added sugar like cocoa powder. Plus, cacao is rich in antioxidants. In a separate bowl, add 1 tablespoon of agar and a scoop of the mixture. Mix thoroughly, then back into the pot and mix.
However, if you are using pectin, you can add it directly into the mixture. We're using agar instead of cornstarch because it is free of starch, soy, corn, gluten, yeast, wheat, milk, eggs, and preservatives. It's plant-based and vegan.
Add a half cup of chocolate chips. We're using this vegan chocolate brand because it's free from dairy, palm oil, emulsifiers, soy, gluten, no refined sugar, no cane sugar, no sugar alcohols, and it tastes amazing.
Keep on mixing until it boils a few times, then take it off. Pour it into a container or silicone mold. Refrigerate for a few hours or until firm. Take it out of the fridge and flip it. Drizzle some melted gem chocolate, add coconut shaves, crushed pistachios. Get creative with your toppings. If you decide to make this recipe, make sure to tag us on Instagram. Let us know what you would like us to make in the next video.
Enlightenment board. The milk we are using is from our local farm. It's non-homogenized, which means it's the closest thing to raw natural milk. Non-GMO and it's low pasteurized.
Make sure to check out our last video where we made the famous TikTok wraps.